Namaskar. As the strategic advisor to the Confederation of All India Traders, we are proud to host the first ever National Trade Summit. Now you must be wondering, what is this Chota Vyapari we keep talking about? Consider these numbers. In India currently, 12 million Kirana shops are functional. 90% of our retail trade is done in the unorganized segment. But do you know the value of the business that these small Kirana shops and small traders generate? Well, as per some industry reports, which has been supported by the CII, we've had a value generation of $844 billion worth of trade by the Chota Vyapari in India. We're also proud to tell you that amongst all the industrial units that you see in our country, 90% of them belong to the MSME segment, and they generate 45% of India's exports. Now, talking about consumers, when you look at the retail sector, what is the retail sector worth, let's say in the year 2025? According to BCG, it'll be valued somewhere close to between 1 to 1.3 trillion dollars. And when you talk about Indian consumers, 70% of consumers like you, in fact, shop for also eco-friendly products. So we are talking about trade trends, we are talking about consumer trends, we are talking about the digital revolution that is underway. We are talking about awareness vis-a-vis financial instruments that are available to help upgrade the small trader. Chote Vyapari ko itna chota bhi na samjho. That's the message of the National Trade Summit.